we are going to Busch Gardens this year. So basically, we are in the cab right now, and so we parked at my mom's hospital. It's back there, and she's okay. Back to So our flight is like 50 minutes. So this video won't be that long, but I gotta say this. We might film on the airplane to give you and to tell you anything about that. But yeah. So this is Jake. This is Jacob making slime. This is Devin doing shell. Oh yeah. And we're gonna film a YouTube. Me and Devin. He has to first make his deck. We're gonna make a video about that, and then after that we will yeah, I want to tell you a little thing about in the video. Once I found like the accelerators, I'm gonna do something funny. The accelerators. But there's something that